Okay, today I got my 2017 Chevy Equinox here, and it's been struggling lately during acceleration. It's like it's stuttering. I don't know if it's not a shifting problem, but it's like it's starving for fuel or something, or air or something isn't right. No codes are coming up. It's just it's getting kind of concerning. It's happening more and more frequently. We're gonna clean the mass air filter. So step by step, let's get going on that right now. All right, first thing we're going to do is disconnect the electrical connection here. Just pull up on this red tab. Just pull straight up on that, it clicks, and then this black tab, just press in on that and then pull it out. Wiggle it back and forth and she pulls right out. And then we are going to take these two screws out here. That's 7/30 seconds is what we're using on those. And we're just going to grab a hold, and she just comes right out of there. So there it is. What I'm going to be using is the CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner, made especially for this stuff, electrical connections. It will not destroy or weaken it in any way. We're going to concentrate on these holes right here. That's where we're going to spray the majority of this, but I'm just going to cover the whole thing. That's it, and I'm going to let that sit overnight, and then I'm going to reinsert it tomorrow. I'm just going to let it sit like a day, just make sure everything dries out, and then I'm just going to put her back in tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day, and I've let this air dry overnight, and now we're going to reinstall. So just opposite directions. Slide her back in. We got the two screws here. Get those started. Seven 30 seconds. Snug them up. And then reinsert your electrical plug. Press down the red tab. There, locked in. Okay, so that's it. Real simple. I'm not sure how often that should be done, but hopefully it takes care of the problem I've been having with the acceleration, shuddering, stuttering. And if you got something out of this, give it a like and subscribe. I make lots of these videos, repair videos for lawnmowers and cars and other things as well. So check it out, and we'll see you next time. Later.